Hi, Morgan. I was a little bit concerned about you, so I checked on the mastering and realized that you still hadn't registered, and I'm not. I just without seeing your book or being able to actually put my hands on the stuff that you ordered, it's hard for me to be able to help you. Um, What you can do, though, until you get your access code, you can still go ahead and you can go ahead and temporarily register, like for 2 weeks, so that you won't get behind. Hopefully you notice in fact, let me do it again. All right, back on our email, I'm clicking on that attachment that I sent you. Okay, now when you look at this attachment, you just follow the directions, and let me see where it says about temporary access. Okay, so when you get to step 6, select an access option. You either enter your access code, or you use a credit card or PayPal, or you can get temporary access for 2 weeks. So you can go ahead and do that now, and that way, you can go ahead and start your assignments. So hopefully, I'm hoping this will help you. As far as the other, your access code, if you got a new book and you had to open it, like it had plastic, it was in the plastic, the access code should be in a little packet. It's very small packet. It fits inside the book, but it's smaller than the actual. I mean, it's not as wide or long as the book, but it's usually in the back, like, cover, or behind the front cover, or attached to the front cover. Is somewhere easy to find. So you're welcome to come out to campus to meet with me, and maybe we can figure it out together. Or also, we can do a Google Meet or Microsoft Teams meet. And it may be that if you can share with me what you've got and I can see it, that it's a simple thing to fix. But for now, again, try that temporary access so you can at least get started. Okay? All right. Well, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.